Hozelock, gardening for life. Introducing the new Hezolock Pico Reel, perfect for watering your small garden space. The Pico Reel has been expertly designed to use on patios, balconies and small garden spaces. Complete with 10 meters of hose, the Hozelock Pico Reel provides you with fantastic area coverage for its size. Whether you choose to carry the Pico Reel or leave it by the tap, the compact and lightweight design enables effortless watering of your small garden space. The low-profile winding handle makes rewinding the hose a breeze, whilst the feeder hose can be neatly stored away for convenience. By using the non-drip parking point, the reel can be stored with no risk of dripping water. The Pico Reel is instantly ready to go as it comes complete with fittings and multi-spray gun. The compact design also allows the Pico Reel to be stored easily out of sight. The 5-function multi-spray gun offers the features of fan, jet, fast fill, cone and rose. For peace of mind, the Pico Reel comes complete with a 2-year guarantee. The new Hozelock Pico Reel. Pick one up in store today.